What is up, YouTube? Today I am excited to bring you guys the reveal of what I've done to my KLX250. First of all, I want to thank everyone that bought a t-shirt on teespring.com, link in the description down there. I used that money to do some of the things, not all of it, but some of the things that I did to my motorcycle. So I want to thank every one of you because I'm super stoked on the way this has turned out. If you're new to the channel, if you just found this video from the title KLX250 whatever I put on there, welcome to the channel. I'm an FPV drone pilot. I fly drones around and have a blast with my friends, and I bought this motorcycle to kind of like incorporate that into my videos. So be sure to check out some of the drone footage, and without any further ado, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside, and then I'm going to give you like a little bit of a backstory, and then we're going to see the new KLX250 TAC Edition. So this is my 2019 Kawasaki KLX250. This bike is lacking in the power department, but it is super fun to ride. It gets me, it does the job. I've got some performance parts coming for it. I've got an exhaust coming, but they just keep back ordering it over and over again. I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but I've got the electronic jet kit ready to go. I've removed the snorkel, and it lets more air in the motor. People that are familiar with me and my channel know that I love the color lime green, and my love for lime green started back in 1985 when my dad bought me a red Kawasaki Bayou 185 four-wheeler. Now I know what you're thinking, that thing's red, but I treated that thing so horribly. We had to take it to the shop all the time, and every time we would go in there I would see the KX line of motocross motorcycles and just love that green, and that has just been infused in my body that I love lime green. Alright, so I'm trying to like edit this video in such a way to where it like builds up to the point to where I reveal, but I can't figure out how to make it work. So let's just cut to where what the bike looks like today. Screw all, who cares what it used to look like? Here's what it looks like now. Okay, I'm really horrible at B-roll. I hate doing it, but anyway, I wanted to talk to you, bring you guys out here and talk to you guys for a second about the motorcycle and the reason why I've done some of the things that I did. First of all, Kawasaki offers this motorcycle in two different color combinations. One is like the KX inspired with the green with the white number plates and everything, and the other is this digital camo version that I got. But what I liked about this version is everything on this thing was blacked out. The wheels was black, everything was black. Well, I'll just flash a picture of the KLX green version for you guys. So when I bought this motorcycle, I thought it would be like super cool to take that blacked out version and then add green stuff to it. And I thought that'd give it like kind of a green stealthy look, you know, you see what I'm trying to say. But I wanted to talk for a minute. I just noticed this has got like a pearl in that graphic. I did not know this. This thing's beautiful out in the sun. I love it. I want to give a shout out to Singe Graphics. I searched all over the internet. I looked everywhere, and I found like just goofy looking. I wanted like a motocross inspired graphics kit for this thing, And there's tons of graphics kits out here for it, but 99% of them are lame. And then I've run across this company, and I was like, yeah, that's kind of cool. And they got a bunch of different combinations for it and everything. But I like this black one. It was just called, I don't remember what it was called, but it was for a black motorcycle. And I thought it would be cool to go ahead and get a green front fender and a green headlight right here and put this sticker kit on it, because I kind of wanted that fade, and I want to see green when I'm riding it. I want to feel like I'm riding a Kawasaki. So anyway, I'm on the website looking at everything, and I noticed that you can add your own number, and it's like printed on here, like whatever your rider number in your rider name, you can have it. I think they'll put their name like right in here somewhere, or maybe up here. But I emailed the guy and I was like, hey man, and I sent my logo, and I was like, you think that you could put my logo on the number plate? And he like quickly responded, and he's like, yeah man, I think I could do that. So then I like sent him this picture that I wanted it to be like really huge, and I wanted the tag to be like cover this whole thing. And he sent me the render back like within an hour. And then I looked at it and I was like, oh crap, you know, that's way too big. He did exactly what I asked him to do, but after I seen it, I was like, I don't know. And then I felt horrible. I was like, you think you could make it a little smaller? And he's like, no man, that ain't no problem. So like another email later, he sends me this, and I'm like, hell yeah man, let's do that. That's the one I want. And like 2 days later, this thing is shipped to my door, and I'm like tearing my motorcycle apart, putting this stuff on here. I'm super excited about it. I wanted these straws right here. I thought this was cool. This is something that I got. I did a bunch of research on these because I bought some for that little pit bike that I had off of Amazon, and they were like a cheap hard plastic. And I don't know, these I've researched around, and I found I wanted like the best that money could buy on these things, and it's only $2 more than the ones that's on like Amazon. But I believe these are from Boyd's, and they're like a silicone rubber type. It's hard. It's like TPU for you drone guys out there. It's what it feels like. So it feels like it'd be super durable, and it's just like a straw with like a little split in it, and you just kind of like force it over the spoke like that. So it's pretty cool, you know. And I think it looks cool. Some people may think it looks stupid, but I don't. It gives the wheel like a cool look. But I haven't even rode it like this yet, so if it throws the balance off on my wheels, if they shake or something, I'm going to get rid of those. But for now, they're going to stay on there. So anyway, I'm not going to bore you guys anymore with this. I'm freaking excited. Thanks again for buying the t-shirts. That helped me buy the graphics kit. I had to throw in a little bit for the straws and the plastics, but you guys basically covered the graphics kit for me, so I'm super stoked about that. Everybody's got a t-shirt. I'm going to be doing hoodies. So that's going to be enough of this. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like what you've seen. If you're here because of the motorcycle and not the drones, check out some of the drone videos. I'd like to get you guys interested in that because it's a super fun hobby. So anyway, see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, it's amazing. But you know who really thinks it's amazing? Me. Hi, I'm Harrison Vlogs. You should subscribe to my channel because I really need it. Thank you. I don't do drone stuff. I don't do drone stuff either, by the way. So yeah, love you.
So anyway,